She was like, I'm getting the idea of this. Supposed to rip it, right? There you go. Mommy taped that good, huh?
Yeah.
There you go, Mama. She said this is babies. Ooh, this is from Mommy and Alan. And here, wow. You almost got it off. There you go. Woo! Wow. You take the rest of it off her head. Show the camera.
Mermaid, yeah.
Show the camera. The little mermaid. Okay, okay. Calm down. You want to take it out of the box for her, we'll see? Let him take out the box. She's like, come on, come on, come on. Watch out, don't let it pop her in the eye.
Oh.
Bella, come here. I don't want you to get hit in the eye. Bella. Mama. You're so hard-headed.
Is that a bad thing?
Yes. Say thank you. Aww. She like make it flat. Is there anything else in it? No, just instructions. You got her making her arms move.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. She's got a flap in the arm one. Bye-bye.
Smell the chestnuts.
Come on, wiggle. Wrong way, Mama. Other way. Other way.
Let's cook it.
She's cooking the mermaid.
She's doing that.
She's turning on the oven and cooking mermaid.
Yeah.
It's done.
You want your pots and pans?
I don't want. Here, Mama. Bella.
You gonna put her on the oven?
Alive.
She's thinking about it.
She's like, stop that.
She's making sure it's dead.
Yeah, this ain't good. You're welcome. Thank you. Okay,